Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Kashmiri Saag with all of you, which I learned from a friend of mine. I really love this saag for various reasons. One, it is done in a jiffy, just 4 to 5 minutes with just few ingredients, no cutting chopping involved. Two, it is a very versatile sabji. You can serve it with any flatbread or as a side with your meats. It goes very well with curd rice also on the side. Or you simply add a spoonful to the yogurt to make palak raita. And even the leftovers can be used in many different ways. Next day you can add it to the omelette mixture, or you can blend the sabji and add to the dough, make parathas with it. The list is endless. You can go on and on. So do give it a try, and this is best made with baby spinach because we use the stems also. So the baby spinach is very tender, yet it has got all the nutritional value, which we all know spinach is very nutritious, best among all the greens. So let's prepare this saag, and I'm sure you're going to like it too. Kashmiri Saag. You can find the ingredients list in the description box. Check it out. Now in a pan, heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. This is the key ingredient. Do not use any other oil. Remember, mustard oil always has to be heated very well. Bring it to a smoking point, then reduce the flame. Once it cools down a bit, add 2 crushed black cardamoms. Let them give out a nice aroma on low flame. Next, dip in the garlic cloves, about 10 to 12. Whole cloves, do not crush them. Just toss them in the oil until they change color, become golden brown, and all the flavors will be infused into the oil. Next, add 4 or 5 Kashmiri red chillies. Toss all these ingredients for a little while until you feel they are all aromatic and get slightly cooked. Now time to add the spinach. I am using baby spinach. The leaves and stems are very tender. You don't have to chop it up. You can add them full. If the stems are a little longer, you can break them up with hand. That's the reason why I like baby spinach. It's very tender and gets cooked in a jiffy too. Cover and cook on medium flame until the leaves are half done. Now you can add little bit of salt to taste. That's it. No spices go into this. The flavors are only from garlic, black cardamom, and the mustard oil. Just keep mixing it few times while it is being cooked. Very simple side dish. Reduce the flame, cover, and let it cook on low flame now. As I said, just few times open and mix it so that all the leaves get cooked. I love this preparation a lot because we are not overcooking the spinach. All the nutritional value of the spinach is lost when you overcook it. Now this is done. As simple as that. And trust me, the taste is also very delicious. You may think that no spices are added, but it has its own flavors. Within 4 to 5 minutes, start to finish, it is done. The garlic cloves also are nice, soft and tender. A treat for garlic lovers. They'll really enjoy this. You can serve this side dish with any flatbread. I'm sure you'll love this quick, easy recipe of spinach. Do share your feedback. Thank you all for watching. Do check out some of the older videos from the links given here. Bye until next.